Alright, just to give you an idea, this is an 88 key piano. It's a full-size piano. And I just wanted to give you an idea of where middle C is. So see? So you got right in the middle here. Most people know where middle C is, and it'll be right here. Alright, now we got you at my 49 key piano, just because it's easier to teach on this, and then I can get the whole piano in the viewing screen without having to hold the camera. Alright. Alright, this is middle C here. That's the key that I just showed you. Alright, so now, all these notes, they have names. And they are names of the alphabet, going from A to G. Of course, that's C, and people mostly know where C is because you typically, your main scale would be the C scale, which is all white notes. It's the easiest scale to learn. And your scale is just a run of keys. It's 8 keys. So you got C, D, E, F, G, back to A, B, C. It's all white notes. Doesn't that sound very harmonious? Alright, just to name the keys off again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And, anyway, just for reference, to know anywhere a C is like all your C's. Oh my goodness, I'm bumping the camera. All of your C's will be that first white note to the left of a set of 2 black notes, because you'll notice that on the piano you'll see like what's that word? Alternating combinations of 2 and 3 black notes. They'll just keep alternating. So whenever you see the 2, you'll know the one that's to the left is your C. And then you can go from there, like as a reference point. So as long as you know where C is, you can figure it out. Alright, now as far as the black notes, well, all these black notes, they have 2 names each. So, it just depends on what key you're playing in. But typically, I'll teach you a chromatic scale, which is basically playing a scale going like note by note, like as opposed to just like a scale that I just showed you. So that's a chromatic scale when you're going up literally like next to note to next. So when you're going up the chromatic scale, these black notes will be called sharps. When you're going down the chromatic scale, they'll be called flats. And how you know what they're called is basically the note before them. So going up, you got your C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, A sharp, B, C. Going down, it's going to be flat now, so C, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E flat, D, what is it? D flat, and then back to C. That's your chromatic scale. Alright, another thing to teach you. Whole steps and half steps. A whole step is when you go up. Okay, let's start with a half step. A half step is when you go up to the very next note. So like, for example, a half step up from the note of C would be C sharp, going up a half step. Now to go up a whole step, it's just 2 half notes, so you're going 2 very next notes. So a whole step up from the C would be a D. So I got a half, 1, 1.5, 2 whole steps, 2.5 whole steps. Do you get the idea? Alright, now the point of that is if you remember, like, in order to figure out any scale in any key, a major scale in any key, all you have to remember is this code. 1, 1, half, 1, 1, 1, half. So you got 1, 1, half, 1, 1, 1, half. That's how you can figure out a major scale in any key. And the ones and the halves meaning steps, referring to steps. You go 1 step, 1 step, half step, 1 step, 1 step, 1 step, half step. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, half, 1, 1, half, 1, 1, 1, half. So if you remember that, like for example, let's be kind to the alphabet and actually start with the first letter, which is A. If you want to find out the major scale in the key of A, this is A. You want to find out the major scale? Because like you can't just go all the white notes because otherwise they'll sound like this. It's like, it sounds sad. That's actually a minor scale. But if you want to find out the major scale, remember 1, 1, half, 1, 1, 1, half. So I go up 1, 1, half, 1, 1, 1, half. Go up 1, 1, half, 1, 1, 1, half. Alright, one more and then I'll call this video quits. Let's make it difficult. Key of B. Because the B major scale is something crazy. Okay, so you go up 1, 1, half, 1, 1, 1, half. You literally just played all the black notes. Alright, and now I gave you some stuff to chew over, so you can just play around with that. You know what? I'll give you an assignment. Learn all the scales. There'll be 12 major scales. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, 12. So all these scales you can learn on your own. Of course, that's C.